Tigers.
Today we will be learning about how to add up to 10.
This video is about second and first grade math. We're talking to you second and first graders.
Let's start with 3 plus 7 and do a 10 frame. First, you start with your 10 frames, which I have got right here. And then we have 3, so we go 1, 2, 3. Then you choose a different looking thingamabobber. Now, you'll be doing it on paper with a pencil, so instead of just changing the color, you'll probably be doing something like this, like size, or maybe make it empty. Now, fill in the blanks, 1, and when those are filled, you can count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, your answer is 7. Just so you know, 3 plus 7
is the same as 7 plus 3.
So you can flip-flop it. Hey, Madison, you should show them a number bond.
All right. I will use 8 plus 2 as an example. First, you figure out what numbers you're adding up. So we know we're adding up 8 plus something equals, we know it's 10. So you can use a number bond for this. Now to figure out your answer, you'll use the 10 frame like Leena just showed you. But for now, I'll just show you what you do for your answer. So you know your 8, and then the big circle is for the answer that you're adding up to. And then you know, obviously, that the other one is 2.
Hey, I have a great idea. I'll show them how they can do it with their hands. Now, obviously, these are not actual hands. You'll be doing it with your real hand, but we are doing it with this computer hand. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6, and all together, that's 4. Since the last number is 4 and 6, we add them together, maybe even using a 10 frame, or just like counting them up, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To figure out that the total answer between your two hands is 10.
Now let's practice using the 10 frame again. I love that strategy. Okay, so we'll be using 9 plus 1. So first, let's draw our 1, and then let's draw our 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see that all together this is all 10, and we started with our 1, and now we figured out that the answer is 9. And that's how you add up to 10. Now that you know how to add up to 10, you can use a 10 frame or your hands to figure it out.
And a number bond to write out the problem.
Thank you for watching. Hope this helped.
Bye-bye.